Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens and we're here to do some deals for the week of the 6th through the 12th of August. And we've got some pretty good deals. I'm going to do a curbside pickup order for that P&G deal. I have another curbside pickup order for an early activation deal that I did. And then I'm going to do one transaction in the store. So hopefully that goes well. So I have on the two accounts that I'm working with today, I have a spend 25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. I also have a monthly booster of spend 15 6 times, get back $15 in Walgreens cash. And I do believe my curbside pickup order will count as one because I'm still spending like $15 out of pocket after everything is all said and done. So that should count for the first one. I'll know after I pick it up just to be sure. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. I hope Google Docs will be back soon because those are usually linked down below in the description box. I just haven't been doing them because life has been very chaotic, but there is videos linked down below to explain to you how to build up your transactions so that you can use your coupons as cash to pay instead of using your actual money out of pocket. I have two different videos, one that is with a paper booster and using contactless method of payment, and then one without. So if those would be useful for you, then you can access those down below in the description box. But I think that is everything, guys. So anyways, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first transaction is going to be our in-store transaction. I'm also going to be showing you the curbside pickup deal that I'm doing, but I'm showing it to you in the store. But first we're going to be building up a small transaction where we are going to be spending $25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to grab these Advil liquid gels. They're priced at $5.29. There's no deal or anything like that with them. They're going to equal out to $10.58. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that does show in the app that they are attaching to the Advil that are priced at $5.29. So that's going to make both of these just $4.58, which I think is a great price. We use this all the time, so I'm glad to pick these up. So then we're going to pick up some L'Oreal eye makeup remover, priced at $8.29. And they're buy one get one 50% off. So one is $8.29. The other one is $4.14. So that equals out to $12.43. I have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that I will be using and a 2 off of 2 IVC coupon. So since I have a booster of spend 25, I need to actually spend $27 worth of items so that after that 2 off 2 comes off, I'm still at the $25 mark. So after the IVC and the digital coupon, that will make both of these just $5.43, which isn't bad, but I would highly suggest getting these if you're trying to build up a transaction. So next we're going to grab the Bounty. Now with the Bounty, these are on sale for $11.99. Buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. That also includes the Charmin. I think it's the 9 roll that is included in this deal. But with the spend 20, get back $5 in a register reward, that P&G deal, that doesn't include the Charmin. It only includes the Bounty. Now you can see the 2 equals 5 double rolls down below. We have been getting that $5 register reward when we've been getting those. And this deal includes a 6 equal 12 rolls, and you would think that it would work. I filmed this Sunday morning, and so I just thought maybe it was my store, but I've seen other people get the same ones, and they're not working for them. It doesn't mean it's not included. It just might mean that it's not coded properly. So these are going to equal out to $23.98. We have a $1 off digital coupon. I'll also be using a $5 P&G coupon. That's that register reward. That'll make my total $17.98, but then I'll get back a $4 register reward for the buy two get four and another $5 register reward, making both of them just $8.98, which I think is a very good deal. And then the last thing we're grabbing is the Garnier Whole Blends. These are in the same promotion as the Garnier Fructis. They're 2 for $8. Buy two, get back a $3 register reward. So they're going to equal out to $8. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, making them $5. We'll get back a $3 register reward, making them $2 for the both of them. So now I'm going to show you what I'm grabbing for my curbside pickup deal, and that is a promotion that is going on where you spend $30, you will get back you'll get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So just make sure when you're searching the products that when you scroll down below, it shows that promotion going on, and then that product is included in the deal. So I am going to grab this package of Tide Pods. They're the regular size pods. They're 57 in this package, and they're on sale for $12.99. And then I am also going to be grabbing a very large bottle of Gain Flings. It's the odor defense kind. They are priced at $16.99. And then I will also be grabbing, I will be 2 cents short of the $30. So I'm going to grab some Cascade dish pods, the Platinum Plus, priced at $6.99. So these 3 products equal out to $36.97. I have a $5 digital coupon for the Gain Fireworks. Then we have a $4 digital coupon for the Tide Pods. And I have a $2 digital coupon for the Cascade. I also will be entering the code at checkout, WAG, W-A-G, 2023. And that is going to take off another $5.55. So that'll make my total $20.42. I'll get back $10 in Walgreens cash, but because I also have on this account, I spend $25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. I'll also get that back as well, making these 3 products just $3.42, which is absolutely insane. So that is all that we're doing for the curbside pickup deal. I did throw in some other things, and you'll see that on my receipt in the car, but I only did that so that I could use Walgreens cash. You don't need to do that for this to be a really good deal. I give you the correct math on if you were just going to purchase these items by themselves. So that is everything that I am grabbing. We're just doing this one as in-store, and that Tide was for a curbside pickup. So I will be using this coupon here and a couple of register rewards to help lower my out-of-pocket for this transaction. So that's everything. Let's go out to the car and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we're back in from Walgreens, and my curbside pickup order is in the trunk, and it's raining, and it's raining pretty good. So I do apologize about that, but everything went okay. There was a couple of things that happened, but nothing out of the normal for Walgreens. So we're just gonna go with it. So I did 2 curbside pickup orders. One was an early activation pickup order, and then I did a transaction in the store. And the one that gave me the problem was the transaction in the store. So anyways, we're just going to go over them really quickly. So the first thing we're going to go over is the curbside pickup order that was early activation. So early activation is where both weeks, the current week and the new week, are active at the same time for a very short period of time, and you're able to get both promotions. There's a lot of stipulations with them, and I've done a lot of videos on them in the past, and I've done some live videos as well. So the only early activation deal that was going on last night was the Gillette and Venus razors. So last week and this week, they're buy two, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So when it is a Walgreens cash deal and you can use Walgreens cash to pay, it's usually a really, really good deal. So I grabbed 4 razors. So I grabbed 3 of the $10 razors here. I'll show you the 2 that I got. And then I grabbed a men's $12 razor, and I'll show you the one I got right here. So then that equaled out to $42. So I had 2 $3 digital coupons, one for a Gillette and one for a Venus. Then I used the promo code WAG2023, and that took off another $6.75. And I was like, woo, that's awesome. So then that brought my total down to $29.25. I got back $40 in Walgreens cash. $40 in Walgreens cash. And I did use Walgreens cash to pay because it was a buy deal. So I got back $40 in Walgreens cash, and that made those 4 razors free and a $10.75 moneymaker. So because I had a very large moneymaker, I wanted to get some paper products and laundry products. I want to get paper products and laundry products almost all the time. So for the next transaction, I also did a curbside pickup deal for that because it's spend 30, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and that is online only. I got the Tide Pods. They're $12.99. That's the 57 count of the normal size pods. They're $12.99 and a $4 digital coupon. Then I got the Gain fireworks. Those were $16.99. I had a $5 digital coupon for that. And then I got the, not the Dawn, I got the Cascade Power, I'm sorry, I cannot talk. I got the Cascade, let's try that again. I got the Cascade Platinum Plus for $6.99 and a $2 digital coupon for that. Then I also used the code WAG2023, and it gave me $5.55 off. So then that made my total for the products $20.42. I got back $17 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the spend 30, get 10, and then 7 for my spend 25, get 7, because those can be stacked together, making that transaction $3.42. So then we did the in-store transaction, and this was the one that gave me the issues. So with that transaction, I was trying to build it up, and that way I could use my Walgreens cash to pay and all that jazz. Well, I got the L'Oreal eye makeup remover. I got the whole blends. I got the Bounty. I got the Advil liquid gels. So first thing that happened was that I noticed my $8 register reward that I used from the week before last. It wasn't expired yet, but that register reward was rejected. We tried the transaction twice. It was rejected both times. And that register reward was from the Revlon and Almay deal 2 weeks back. So I don't know why that was rejected. They did push it through for me because it is a store register reward. It's a manufacturer. It was a manufacturer's register reward, and they did push that through for me. The other thing that happened was my 6 off of 2 digital did not come off for the Advil, which was unfortunate because that's $6. So that didn't work out. So my total for everything was $55.29. I used $20 in coupons, and then I had that $5 P&G coupon. So I had $25 in coupons right there. So I could use Walgreens cash on that. I could use up to $20 in Walgreens cash to pay. So my total for that transaction should have been $30.29. And I did get back $7.33 in Walgreens cash for my booster. I did get back a $3 register reward for the whole blends, but I did not get back a $4 register reward or the $5 P&G coupon for the Bounty. And that is really unfortunate. So I am going to submit my receipt to the Catalina company for that $5 P&G coupon. I don't know if it'll work, but it should have because it's a Bounty product. And then the store did give me back $4 in Walgreens cash for the register reward not printing. So I should have gotten back $12 in registered rewards there, and that would have made my total $10.96. I've heard a lot of people submitting their receipts to the Catalina company for that $5 coupon. Just when you're submitting your receipt, submit a picture of the shelf tag that has the brands and that it's, you know, when you spend $20. So, and I also got back, I finally got a spend booster. So I did get a spend booster, so that makes me really, really happy. I keep getting something in my eye here. So anyways, the total for everything should have been $3.63, thanks to that early activation deal that I did. So I'm very, very happy with that. All you need to do is, if you're doing early activation, just look to see when the new ad comes out on Wednesdays, if there's any deals that are matching up. So like last week, there was the buy two, get back $10 in Walgreens cash for the Gillette and Venus razors. When you see the new ad come out on Wednesday, you can look and see, oh, it is buy two, get 10 again. So could that actually work? So there's a couple of things that you need to think about. Is it a monthly deal or is it a weekly deal? Another thing is if I cannot do it in store, like if you don't have a store that is open late, then what you can do is you can do it during the allotted time frame that it typically works, and you can do it as a curbside pickup order and pick it up the next day, and it will work. It has worked every single time that I've ever done a curbside pickup order for early activation. So if your store closes at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, you can still do the deal. You just have to do it as a curbside pickup, and you can pick it up on Sunday or you can pick it up on Monday. Also know that not every store participates in early activation. It varies by store, honestly. It doesn't vary by state, it varies by store. So you could have one store that is by you and it doesn't do early activation, but you can change the location to the next store that's 5 miles away and it does work for early activation. So when you know what the early activation deal is, and they're all over Facebook, they're all over Instagram, when you know what the early activation deal is, like it'll happen with Dove, what you can do is you can put it in your cart, and if it's giving back double the rewards under the estimated Walgreens cash, then that means early activation is good to go. And early activation starts at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So if you live in Texas, then it is 10 o'clock. If you live in New Mexico, then it is 9 o'clock. If you live in California, then it is 8 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and it goes for about 2 hours. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and maybe not do the bounty this week. I went ahead and did the bounty because it should have been giving back those register rewards, and it did not. So we shall see what happens. So I will keep you updated on that in the community tab. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.